Hey, hope it's going well for you, everyone. I just want to talk about how to relieve gastritis pain fast. The only way to relieve gastritis pain fast is that your body needs digestive enzymes. As you get older, your body loses digestive enzymes. As you get older, each year you get older, it loses enzymes. So your body can't produce its own enzymes. So you need digestive enzymes from birth to death. From birth to death, because for every single of your meal, because it helps you properly digest your protein and amino acid, and it helps breaks down any supplement you break down. So I'm going to show you how to relieve gastritis pain fast. Is that you need hold on, let me get the supplement out. It's the Daily Digest right here. Daily Digest right here. Daily Digest digestive enzymes. You take the 4 to 8 capsules of this before a single meal, whatever you're eating. If you're eating a heavy meal like meat flush, you take a lot of this before a meal. 8 seconds, you gotta eat it within 8 seconds with a meal. And this is probiotics, Porula. This is the probiotic Porula. You take 3 on an empty stomach before meal with the enzyme. So you take this on an empty stomach. 3 caps on empty stomach. We gotta wait till 15 to 20 minutes. Then you take the enzymes with a hot meal, and that will help with your gut, your gastritis, pain, and stuff like that, and it'll relieve. But it takes time to detox and heal your gut. It takes time to fix your gut, because all the stuff you've been taking, all the prescription drugs, it inhibits your organs and it's toxic, your medication. So it helps cleanse your blood cells and then boost your immune system. And it pH your gut health with the digestive enzymes. Digestive enzyme works when it has minerals in it. Most enzymes out in the marketplace you buy at the store does not have minerals, and it won't activate the enzymes. So it's a cheap quality supplement. It's cheap supplement quality. You do not want to get those supplements in the marketplace. The only thing that works is the Daily Digest from Asante Organics and the probiotics Porula from Asante Organics. These two, you need these for your gut. Both will come together in handy, which helps for your gut, and you'll feel great. You'll feel a difference. Everyone is different, depending how toxic you are. Maybe a couple of days, maybe within a week, or maybe a couple of weeks, depends on your body. And that's how you relieve gastritis pain fast. And I have so many customers that feeling a results, feeling a difference, and you got none to lose. But if you have any question, you can text or shoot me a message, or you can put me an email, or you can comment on the description, like, subscribe, and comment on the video and give me that thumbs up. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. That's how to relieve gastritis pain fast. Digestive enzymes. End of the day, people still don't understand digestive enzyme. Your body needs digestive enzymes. I'll repeat again, but I don't want to repeat myself again. Digestive enzymes with minerals that will enzymatic activity that will help you activate the enzymes, and it helps digest your food faster, the faster way into liquid form. So thank you. Hope everyone, sorry about that, and talk to you guys soon. Thank you.